Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your vMix preset, how you can save your vMix settings. All right, I know you've added your cameras, your scripture, your picture, your videos, all those stuffs. I know you wouldn't want to repeat it the next time you want to make use of your vMix. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can save them. All right, how you can save it so that each time you come, all you need to do is just to open it and you will have all your presets. All right, so stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, kindly like and share this video as well. Drop a comment if you have any question. All right, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. All right, so this is my vMix right here. You can see I have this video playing. Sorry, I don't have camera that I will add at this point. All right, take for instance, I have these videos playing. You can see the text, you can see all these pictures, you can see all this text right here. All right, so how to save this so I won't have to add it next time I want to make use of this vMix. All right, so all you need to do is just to come to this, towards this top left corner where you are seeing save, you are seeing save as. You can make use of any of them, save as or save. All right, so let's just the difference is that this save, you can use it to save for the first time, you can use it to save the file for the first time. Then this save as, you can use it to replace the file. All right, so let's just, you can use any of them for the first time. All right, so save as, okay, then all you need to do is just select the location. Just select the location where you want to save it to. You can decide to save it to your desktop, to your document. Right, so let's just click the desktop, and then the next thing is just to give the file a name. Right, the name you will remember. Let's say vMix preset, and then sure you write it capital letter. Right, so it will be easier for you to find. Right, vMix preset. So once you have done that, click on save. Click on save, and then this preset is now saved. All right, so if I close my vMix now, all right, and I open it again, you can see the vMix is empty. There is nothing here. All I need to do is just to go to this open right here, so I can bring in that preset I saved. Click on the open, and then just go and locate where you save the preset. All right, you can see mine right here, vMix preset. Just click it and then select open, and then click this open. If there's any file missing, that will indicate that this file is missing. All right, so just click open and then wait for it. You can see it. You can see everything we added. All right, except the easy worship that is not showing. Why? Because they want you to refresh it. All right, so you can see I have everything back. This is how to save your vMix settings. All right, so you won't have to undergo the process of adding it from the beginning again. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends and your loved ones. All right, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that it will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. All right, and if there's any tutorial you want me to do, let me know at the comment section. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is also in the description of this video. All right, so see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.